Hey everyone, today I'm diving into the Saloniture Premium Locking Rolling Trolley Cart, a must-have for professionals in the beauty industry. Let's talk about what makes this trolley stand out. First off, the construction. This thing is built to last, made of strong and durable molded ABS plastic. The textured, chemical-resistant work surfaces not only make cleaning a breeze but also ensure longevity. Now, let's get into storage. This trolley is the ultimate solution for organizing your workspace. With 4 slide-out drawers that can be customized to your liking, you can keep all your tools and supplies neatly organized and within arm's reach while you work. Plus, there are side pockets with inserts, and even a slot for a roll of foil. Mobility is key, especially in a busy salon environment. That's where the heavy-duty swivel casters come in handy. They glide effortlessly over different floor surfaces, allowing you to move around with ease, even if you're juggling multiple stations at once. And let's not forget about security. The pull-down, lockable cover ensures that your tools and supplies stay safe and secure when not in use. With dimensions of 15 inches deep, 16.5 inches wide, and 34 inches tall, which expands to 33.5 inches when the top surface is expanded, this trolley is versatile enough to fit in various professional settings, from beauty salons to dental offices. In summary, the Saloniture Premium Locking Rolling Trolley Cart ticks all the boxes for professionals looking for a reliable and efficient storage solution. Whether you're a hairstylist, barber, esthetician, or tattoo artist, this trolley has got you covered. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.